Hi Year 11 and welcome to your exercise on displaying categorical data, or exercise 8.02. So in our last lesson we looked at how we can classify data, so it can be either categorical or numerical. So remember, with categorical data it can be placed into categories, or it's got no obvious order. So these are things like favourite radio station, favourite colour of car, those types of things. So we're going to look at different ways we can display it. We're going to start with example 2 out of exercise 8.02. So Heidi asked a group of fellow students which nights of the week they would prefer to have a school ball. She recorded their responses as T for Thursday, F for Friday, SA for Saturday, or SU for Sunday. This is her data. So the question wants us to arrange this data in a frequency table. So you can see the solution there, but I am going to do it along with you. Now, if Heidi was smart, she wouldn't have collected the data the way she was, and she would have actually created a table like this and tallied up as she went. So I'm going to write day of the week. Then I've got my tally, and then I've got my frequency. So your frequency is just your tally as a number. Now you're going to see, and you can maybe already see from their worked example, that seeing which day is most popular is a lot easier in a frequency table than writing a bunch of the letters. So I am going to write my Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I forgot Thursday. That's okay. I'll just move it. Thursday. So I'm going to work through this data. So I've got Friday, Friday, Thursday. So Friday, Friday, Thursday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday. That's 2 Saturdays in there. Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Thursday, Saturday, Friday, Friday, Saturday, Friday, Friday, Thursday, Thursday, Sunday, Thursday, Thursday, Sunday, Friday, Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Thursday, Saturday, Thursday, Saturday. Then we've got 4 Fridays, so Friday, 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 so Friday, 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 then Thursday, 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 Thursday. And that should look about the same as theirs. Perfect. So then we're just going to count it up. So there's 5, 6, 7, 5, 10, 12, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. So we could say, based off of this, that Friday would be the most popular day for the ball. That's it for our frequency table. I also forgot we're meant to put a total down the bottom. So what we do is we do 7 plus 12 plus 8 plus 1, and that gives us 28. So it's just so if we want to find our percent frequencies, or maybe put this in a pie chart, we've got that data to easily do that. The next one is we want to take this data in our frequency table and put it into a column graph. So what we want to do is we want to draw our x and our y axes like so. We're going to put, we don't really need to put arrows on it for this one because it isn't continuing on forever. And how we're going to do this is our frequency is going to go up along our y-axis, and day of the week is going along, so frequency is y-axis, day of the week is x-axis. And the reason for this is, remembering we always put our independent data along our x-axis. So this is, our day of the week is independent because the frequency doesn't change the order of the days of the week, but the frequency depends on the days of the week. So the frequency is dependent on the day of the week. Now, when we look at our numbers, we've got 7, 12, 8, and 1. So we're going to want to go a little bit higher than 12, and it's just so our column graph isn't taking up the whole lot. So I'm going to go 14, 12. I should probably start from the bottom just in case. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, and I'm just going up to 16 because I've made it that big. But you would just rub out that little top section. Remembering, graph and pencil, it makes it a lot easier to change it if need be. We're then going to put our days of the week along the bottom. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we're just going to draw columns. So Thursday's got 7, so 7's going to be up to here. So I'm just going to, and you'd make these all the same width as well. It's just a little bit hard on my iPad because I don't have a ruler. Friday is 12, so 12 is going to be up to here. So we're going to draw a line like so. Our next is Saturday, which is 8, which is to here. So again, making sure we have a nice straight line. You'd be using your ruler in your books. And then Sunday's 1. So I probably didn't space this super well, because if I'm saying this is 0, that's not an even gap, which this could be classed as a misleading graph, which we looked at a few lessons ago. So make sure you always check. I'm going to cheat again a little bit, and I'm just going to pull it down like so. And then I'm going to get my eraser. I'm just going to get rid of those. And then we can say that's a 0. So what were we doing? 7. And like, it's okay if you make mistakes. Like, I made a mistake. You're not going to be perfect every single time. But it's just kind of constantly checking and not being afraid to go back and change it if you have made a mistake. Saturday is 8. And Sunday is 1, which will be here. And that's it. That's exercise 8.02 done with the examples. The questions will be on OneNote, so let me know if you need any help.